NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, started its cosmic journey on October 1, 1958, when U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act. Since then, NASA has been at the forefront of space exploration, scientific discoveries, and technological innovations. Here are 5 amazing facts about NASA you need to know. Number 1. Cosmic duo Charlie Brown and Snoopy. In the space saga, the Apollo 10 command module is nicknamed Charlie Brown, while the lunar module struts the name Snoopy. Surprisingly, astronaut safety mascot is none other than Snoopy, the iconic Peanuts comic strip character. Being a cartoon lover, NASA named its 2 satellites Tom and Jerry. Number 2. Chocolate factory for astronauts. Forget Willy Wonka, NASA has its own Candyland, the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory, nicknamed the Chocolate Factory. Astronauts train for spacewalks in this giant pool filled with water resembling melted chocolate, simulating zero gravity in a surprisingly tasty way. Number 3. The Golden Record. Did you know that NASA sent a message to extraterrestrial life in 1977? Voyager 1 and 2 carry the Golden Record, a compilation of Earth's sounds, images, and greetings in multiple languages. It's like a time capsule hurtling through the cosmos, waiting to be discovered. Number 4. Pricey spacesuits. NASA's spacesuits boast a staggering $12 million price tag, with the backpack and control module eating up a whopping 70% of the cost. Astonishingly, the suits used today are based on the designs from way back in 1974. Imagine wearing something worth more than your house, floating through the void in cosmic couture. Number 5. Armstrong's close call. Neil Armstrong, the moon's first visitor, almost missed his chance at NASA due to a late application. Thankfully, his delayed paperwork didn't keep him from making history.